Hello, the topic of this video is very interesting. What is the difference between a good teacher and a bad teacher? How we can easily identify that somebody is a good teacher or somebody is a bad teacher? During my training days, when I was getting training of being a teacher, we asked this question to our teacher. Sir, please tell us that what is the difference between a good teacher and a bad teacher? First of all, he smiled and after thinking, he said few words. He told us that I am telling you few lines. By these lines, you can easily identify the qualities of a different type of teachers. He said the difference between the teachers is a bad teacher tells. It means a bad teacher tells. An average teacher teaches. And a good teacher inspires. It means we can see there are so many kind of teachers in our society. From childhood till today, we have interacted with a lot of teachers. We have found out so many qualities in our teachers. We have observed, we have learned a lot of things from our teachers. We have interacted with our teachers. These lines explains a bad teacher tells. It means these kind of teacher will come in the class and what will they do? They will do the presentation of their topic. They will not do any other work. They will not do any extra activities. They will not conduct any interaction or like these type of things. They will not inspire the students. The main purpose of this kind of teacher is to complete their course. It means he or she will come in the class and the first priority of these kind of teachers will be to complete their courses. It means a bad teacher tells because he or she is only telling. They are not doing any other work to improve the students, to improve the quality of students, to improve the whole environment. It means a bad teacher tells. Second line explains an average teacher teaches. It means we can see there are so many teachers, they try to do the best. It means they begin with teaching, they begin their teaching with new spirit, a new thought. They try to teach. It means they are doing effort on different levels, on the basis of teaching, on the basis of presentation of curriculum, on the basis of presentation of TLM, and they will inspire the students. They will use proper reinforcement in the classroom. It means an average teacher teaches, means he is or she is trying to teach the best. It means they are trying to teach but not telling. Telling is different thing and the teaching is different thing. So this is the difference between a bad teacher and average teacher. Now let us come on the third line. Our teacher explains, and good teacher inspires. What is the meaning of inspire? Indian philosopher Radhakrishnan said, the conduct of a teacher should be inspiring. It means the behavior of a teacher should be inspiring. A student should observe his teacher and they should think, they should appreciate, they should got energy to seeing their teacher and they should try to do what is great teacher. First of all, when this type of teacher comes in the class, all the students are attentive to listen him. All the students are very eager to know what is he is going to say, what is new presentation of the teacher is coming, what is the new topic is starting on. It means we can see a good teacher inspires the student. A good teacher uses his zeal in the teaching. A good teacher inspires the students. He uses proper reinforcement. His main motive of the classroom is to to inspire the student, to connect the students with their curriculum, to connect the student with their future. A good teacher inspire. It means a good teacher, the basic work of the teacher are in 3 words. In Indian philosophy, we can say a good teacher or a great teacher should be a friend, philosopher and guide. Like a friend, he should know the each and everything of their students. A good teacher, a great teacher knows about the students. He knows psychology, he knows their learning capacity, he knows their potential. It means a good teacher knows each and everything about their students. He should be like a friend. He should be like a philosopher. Philosopher means to tell the students what is right, what is wrong. It is the basic duty of a teacher. You are maybe any level of the teacher, either you are teaching in the primary level or secondary level or higher level. It doesn't mean that in which level you are teaching, but the basic work is of a teacher is to teach the student what is right, what is wrong, what is right, what is wrong. It is the basic duty of a teacher. A teacher should be friend, philosopher and guide. Guide means at every level a teacher should try to guide the students. What you will do in the future, what will you do in the whole life, how you will think, how you will live. Because the basic work of a teacher to create the habits, to create the thoughts, to create the so many changes in their personality which are required of a boy, of a man, for their future, for the family, for the society, for the nation. It is the basic duty of a teacher. It means a good teacher not only inspires, but a good teacher shapes the whole life of a student. These are the basic duties of a teacher. I think you will have got so many benefits from this video. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Dr. S.K.S. Gautam, because I will discuss so many issues in my next videos. Thank you. Thank you.